Antonyms: opposite words: much, little, small, big, one, many, several, new, old, take, give, like, dislike, know, unknow, ignore, go, come, good, bad, well, badly, well, ill, first, last, now, then, now, later, our, your, our, theirs, back, front, back, forward, believable, unbelievable, above, below.